Hello everyone, in today's session we'll be looking at how do you create a code that can accept value using scanner. So we will have something called a scanner out here, which is going to be working like a scanner works in normal human life. So example, a printer is used to print something, whereas scanner is used to take something. So now what I want to do is I want to ask user for her or his name, and I want to print that on the screen. So firstly I need a name that can store multiple characters. So if you understood variables, here we'll create a string variable using name. Okay, and I don't know a value to this right now, so I'll just leave it like this as a semicolon blank. Now I will ask user for the value, so I will ask him to enter his name. How? I'll say system.out.println and I will say please enter your name. Now looking at this, whoever is running this application will see this message saying please enter your name and will want to enter something. So I will create a scanner out here. This is going to accept whatever he's entered, give it any name, equals to new scanner. So this is the line that we write to accept something from the user. And how does it know from where to take? So I am saying take it from systems input. So the systems input is the keyboard, so take it from the keyboard. Okay, put it in SC. But did I want it in SC? No, I want it in name. So I'll say name equals to whatever is in SC, that dot next. So SC works like a tokenizer, so it will take 1111 value and it will keep putting it in various variables. So if I would have to take name as well as age, I will just use that SC, the same number, and instead of saying next I would have said again another next, so it will give me another value. So like that it will keep taking value. So wherever I want to take value, I'll have to include scanner. Okay, then I will print something. So out here, see, can you see this particular error, cannot find symbol class scanner? So this is because you've not imported the scanner package. So we'll go and we'll import. So this is some ready-made code that I need to pick up. So I'm going to write java.util.scanner. This will ensure that the scanner package is picked up, and now if you see, the error has gone. Okay, and I'll just say system.out.println welcome plus whatever name the user has given. So I wanted to accept that and show it to me. Correct? Okay, I'll compile this. No syntax errors out here, and if we go back to check, this is my code. Right click, open, please enter your name. So if you can see now, this is a new box, type input and press enter to send to the program. So I will write the thing I want to here. So example, my name is ABCD, I hit enter and I put this as the input, and my output came welcome ABCD. So I use the scanner to take this input and get a particular output on the screen. Correct? Okay.